Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to mute YouTube videos by default within the Divi Video Module. Starting videos muted can provide a smoother user experience by reducing distractions and allowing visitors to preview your video content without sudden audio interruptions. We'll guide you through the steps to configure your settings, ensuring your YouTube videos start silently from the moment your page loads. Let's dive in. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to mute YouTube videos by default in the Divi Video Module, the Divi Booster plugin makes it incredibly simple. With version 4.8 of this plugin, a new feature automatically adds the mute equals 1 parameter to your embedded YouTube video URLs. This means your videos will start without audio as soon as the page loads. It's an easy way to create a quieter, more user-friendly browsing experience. You can find out more about the Divi Booster plugin in the accompanying post. To begin setting up your muted YouTube video, open your page in the Divi Builder. Add a video module to the section of your layout where you want the video to appear. Once the module is in place, go to the settings and enter the URL of the YouTube video you'd like to embed. This step ensures the module is linked to the correct video and ready for further configuration. Now that you've added your YouTube video to the Divi Video Module, the next step is to ensure it starts muted. In the module settings, locate the option labeled Start YouTube Video Muted. Toggle this setting on, and this will ensure that when the page loads, the video automatically starts without sound. This small change helps provide a distraction-free experience for your visitors, allowing them to engage with your content more comfortably. Once you've enabled the mute setting, the next step is to save your work. Start by clicking the checkmark to save the settings for your video module. After that, save your overall page design. You can use the Divi Builder menu at the bottom of the page to choose Save Draft if you'd like to keep working on it later, or select Publish if you're ready to make the changes live on your site. This ensures everything is updated and ready for visitors to see. After publishing your changes, it's time to confirm that everything is working as expected. Preview your page and play the embedded YouTube video. Check the volume icon within the video player. It should display a muted speaker icon, indicating that the video starts muted by default. This quick step ensures your settings are applied correctly and your visitors get the experience you intended. And that's it. You now have a simple and effective solution to ensure your embedded YouTube videos start muted by default. This small adjustment can make a big difference in creating a more enjoyable and distraction-free browsing experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching.